It isn't just what's on the surface that really matters. It's what's inside. At KWG Industries, it's the expertise, the innovative thinking, and the courage to explore new things that leads to important breakthroughs. And it isn't just the aircraft, the medical devices, the defense systems, or the machinery that our customers build. It's what's behind them and what's inside them, including the raw materials and the parts KWG provides, and all the expertise, the 100% American-made craftsmanship, the precision, the pride, and the commitment that's inside of each and every one of those components. Our every action and activity has one purpose: to earn fierce customer loyalty. At KWG Industries, it's what's inside that counts.